All of us are familiar with Apple products like iPhone, Apple Pen, Apple AirPods, Apple Glass, Apple iPad, etc. Have you imagined how the work environment would be for the people working for the most valuable and top global brand like Apple? Have you thought about the unique facilities of the Apple workforce? If your answer is no, you can move on to our new video on Apple tech-filled 5 billion Apple Park engineering feat. But before we begin, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be the first to know whenever we have a new video out. Did you ever get the chance to work in a parked spaceship filled with trees and plants all around it? If not, try getting a job at tech giant Apple's new HQ, the Apple Park in Cupertino, California. Named as the Apple Park, this stunning architecture sprawls across acres of land and might be one of the most expensive headquarters with the most spectacular campuses in the world. Despite its incredibly futuristic looks, this Apple Spaceship has been a long time in the making, spreading across 176 acres of land. This vast Apple project was announced way back in 2006 by Steve Jobs. It took almost 8 long years of planning, proposals, and permit applications. But by 2014, the Apple Park construction was well underway. By 2017, the vast Apple workforce was already starting to move in. At present, the Apple Park houses more than 12,000 employees in one central 4-story circular building of approximately 2,800,000 square feet. The Apple Park superseded the Apple campus, the former corporate headquarters of Apple Inc. It was built in 1993, even though Apple still uses the initial Apple campus as its office and lab space. The new Apple HQ is located 1.2 miles east of the original Apple campus. It was initially estimated that the campus would cost just $500 million to put together everything. However, the land alone cost almost $160 million. And the cost quickly started to overrun by 2011. The estimated budget for the Apple Campus 2 had then multiplied to a little under $3 billion. When it was all done, Apple looked at a bill closer to $5 billion as the total Apple cost. Hence, using such a massive sum of money, the Apple headquarters, an incredible technology piece, became one of the most expensive engineering projects. Being the HQ of one of the top global brands, have you ever thought about what is inside the $5 billion Apple headquarters? Let's take an Apple Park tour now. Apple co-founder Steve Jobs wanted the campus to look less like an office park and more like a nature refuge. Even though the campus is made up of multiple buildings, 80% of the land is still considered to be green space. Apple and its designers have put a lot of effort into making the Apple Park fit seamlessly into nature, planting over 9,000 drought-resistant trees throughout the grounds, including cherry, apricot, olive, and a few apple varieties along with an artificial pond. Recycled water is used to water the campus. Shaped like a giant flying saucer of sorts, Apple calls the main campus building the Ring. The inner rim and outer rim on each building floor are left open as walkways. There are 8 buildings for the Apple HQ, separated by 9 mini atria. The one circular building of the Apple Park houses most of the Apple employees. This is 4 stories above the ground and 3 levels underground. The whole design of Apple HQ hides the roads and parking spaces underground. The campus has used only glass for its walls, and the construction even features the enormous curved glass panels in the world. There are 800 of the 45-foot-tall curved glass panels around the Apple Spaceship's exterior, and 3,000 smaller panels found within the low-energy LED's natural sunlight and the sheer amount of see-through material. All interior wood used for the furniture products was harvested from a particular species of the maple tree. A breathing hollow concrete slab acts as the floor, ceiling, and HVAC system of the Apple California building. The views of the inner courtyard and the landscape facing the exterior of this invention are stunning. The campus is one of the most energy-efficient buildings in the world. Apple headquarters' main ring construction is home to one of the world's largest rooftop solar farms. This covered solar roof generates up to 17 megawatts of power to meet 75% of the campus's energy demand during peak times. The rest of the campus's needs are completed by on-site fuel cells powered by biofuel or natural gas. Moreover, the main building of the Apple HQ also utilizes a natural ventilation system. Hence, it does not use traditional heating and cooling methods for 9 months of the year. Another amazing feature of the Apple Spaceship happens to be found deep underground the main ring. The Apple HQ is one of the few buildings in the United States and the world to use base isolation, which protects the ring from even the worst of California earthquakes. The incredible isolation system comprises 692 massive stainless steel plates, which allow the building to shift up to 4 feet in any given direction without causing any structural damage. The Apple Park tour is not over yet. There are mind-blowing amenities at Apple Park that make your mouth open. Here they are. One of the most exciting features of the Apple headquarters is that it includes 7 cafes, with the largest being a 3-level cafe for 3,000 sitting people. It has a light-colored stone lining and glass railing with no metal support and is surrounded by extensive Apple campus landscaping. The mezzanine space of 20,000 square feet can accommodate 600 people and 1,750 seats on terraces outside. Apple's huge catering team says that it has enough capacity to feed around 15,000 people every lunchtime, so there's some growing room if Apple decides to expand its already huge workforce. Other lifestyle features of the Apple headquarters include a gym wellness center. This 100,000 square foot fitness center is located northwest of the campus. Apart from gym equipment, this fitness center at Apple campus features other amenities like changing rooms, showers, laundry services, and rooms for group sessions. Besides, there's also a huge 2-story yoga studio where the desk jockeys can wind down and ease their back pain at the campus itself. The campus also includes a couple of basketball courts for the employees to spend their leisure time, an expansive parking area and road network that's completely hidden from the site. Putting the amenities underground was an absolute necessity to maximize the green space in and around Apple Park. So the parking at Apple California is located both underground and in 2 large parking structures accommodating approximately 14,200 employees. Apple Cupertino regulations needed a minimum of 11,000 parking spaces, 700 of which have electric vehicle charging stations. There are 2,000 parking spaces in the underground parking garage too. The parking at Apple Spaceship is easily managed by sensors and apps, which govern the traffic and parking spaces. The other notable amenities of the Apple Spaceship are research and development facilities and care clinics. The research and development facilities at Apple HQ feature 2 large 300,000 square feet buildings on the southern edge of the campus and are occupied by more than 2,000 people. The top floor of each building comprises the Department of Industrial Design and Human Interface teams. In recent years, Apple also started launching care clinics in Santa Clara County to provide accessible healthcare and promote healthy behavior in the company's workplace. Apple headquarters in California is also home to another mind-blowing piece of architecture and engineering, the inspiring Apple Auditorium, formerly known as the Steve Jobs Theater. This incredible facility is located atop a hill on the Apple campus. It's an underground 1,000-seat auditorium intended for Apple product launches and press meets. It has a large above-ground cylinder-shaped lobby with stairs down to the Apple Auditorium. The theater has 350 parking spaces and a pedestrian path leading to the main campus. The Apple Auditorium is even topped with the world's most extensive carbon fiber roof made of 44 panels. The theater also includes a 13-meter-high glass elevator that rotates 171 degrees from the bottom to the upper lobby level. The elevator at Apple campus is made from chemically tempered glass and is considered the tallest freestanding glass elevator globally. The Visitor Center happens to be the only building in the entire Apple Park that guests can visit without an entry pass. Even though Apple Park Visitor Center is all under one roof, it is divided into 4 sections, like an Apple store featuring Apple-branded merchandise, t-shirts, hats, tote bags, postcards. These Apple products are not sold at regular Apple stores, a cafe, an exhibition space that currently showcases a 3D model of Apple Park with augmented reality, and a roof terrace overlooking the campus. It was opened to the public on November 17, 2017, and the estimated cost of the Apple Visitor Center is $80 million. This giant monster-like spaceship parked in the lush flats of Cupertino, California, the Apple headquarters is full of unique features and amenities, more so than almost any other company in the world. It's visible that Apple has thought of everything from their environmental footprint to keeping their workforce full up with food, leisure, and creativity. There have been a few complaints about the open-plan office spaces for some workers. They say that such facilities remove opportunities for privacy. Still, Apple headquarters' futuristic facility has been incredibly well received and has set a new world standard for how excellent a work environment can be. Being one of the most valuable brands, the corporate Apple campus is a thing of beauty and wonder. The massive ring-shaped building is now an iconic symbol of the Apple brand. It's a fantastic testament to the company's dedication to effortless layout, sustainability, and the future of technology. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more of our excellent content. Please give us a like, share the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our latest uploads. We value your feedback. Feel free to share your thoughts with us in the comments section below.